Welcome to Imperial Southgate Villas in Lakeland, Florida. This single-story condo features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, carport, living room, kitchen, inside laundry room, dining room, family room, screened lanai, and a courtyard. The home is being sold with the furniture included. The home has mostly ceramic tile flooring. The bedrooms have laminate flooring. No carpet. The laundry room provides extra space along with a utility sink. The washer and dryer are included. This section of the villas is not age-restricted. The community offers a community pool and shuffleboard courts. The quarterly condo fees include water, sewer, trash pickup, basic internet, basic cable TV, and lawn maintenance. This condo community is in South Lakeland and in walking distance to Kelly Recreation Complex. It is a short drive to shopping, restaurants, Lakeside Village, and Polk Parkway. All sizes are approximate. Call to schedule your showing.